Jasmita?
Present, sir.
Okay. Derive expression for force acting on current carrying conductor when placed in magnetic field. Next heading. Derive expression for force acting on current carrying conductor when placed in magnetic field. Right heading, then I'm explaining. Written?
Yes, sir.
Consider, this is simplest derivation. A conductor, consider a conductor carrying current I placed in an uniform magnetic field of induction B bar. We know that force experienced by charge Q moving with velocity v bar is given by f bar is q v bar cross v bar. Therefore, f bar equals to q L bar upon T into V bar. But Q upon T is I, which is called current. Therefore, F bar equals to I L bar cross V bar. This is expression for force experienced by current carrying coil. Just copy this much.
Done, sir.
Everybody is copied?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, F will be I L B sine theta. This is expression for force acting on current carrying conductor placed in magnetic field. Case 1. Condition for maximum force. For maximum force, sine theta should be maximum. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is maximum value of sine? Is it 1?
Yes, sir.
That means angle should be 90 degree.
Yes.
Therefore, conductor should be perpendicular to the field.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So theta 90 means conductor should be perpendicular to field. Perpendicular to field. Copy this part. Yes, can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Case 2. Condition for minimum force. Here sine theta should be 0. So theta is 0 or theta is 180 degree. Therefore, conductor should be kept parallel or anti-parallel to field. Copy. Third point. Case 2 also. Fleming's left hand rule. Yes, written.
Yes, sir.
So by this we only came to know force acting in magnitude will be ILB sine theta, maximum will be ILB, and minimum will be 0. Direction of that force is given by Fleming's left hand rule. Some of you might be knowing this Fleming's left hand rule. In 10th you had this ISC syllabus.
Yes, sir.
State board also had Fleming's left hand rule. Tell me what is Fleming's left hand rule. Imagine 3 fingers of left hand. Yeah, 3 fingers of left hand, index finger, middle finger, and thumb to be kept outstretched mutually perpendicular to each other. You all know where is your left hand, right hand? Can you see left hand thumb?
Yes, sir.
थंब के बाद वाला उंगली को क्या बोलते हैं? इंडेक्स फिंगर.
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद वाला इज इट मिडिल फिंगर?
Yes, sir.
Then it is ring finger,
Yes, sir.
and then it is little finger.
Yes.
Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Madam, I'm not interested in any developer. Hello? Yeah. So imagine 3 fingers of left hand to be outstretched mutually perpendicular to each other. Actually, X, Y, Z axis जैसा ही है. Keep your those 3 finger, thumb, middle finger, and index outstretched. Index up towards wall दिखाओ. Thumb को ऊपर, middle finger horizontal. बनाया ऐसा?
Yes, sir.
बट लेफ्ट हैंड ना, गलती से राइट हैंड मत करना, आंसर उल्टा आएगा. इंडेक्स फिंगर रिप्रेजेंट्स मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. व्हाट इज इंडेक्स फिंगर?
Magnetic field.
So this cross means where? Inward or outward?
South.
Inward, inward. Cross is outward, dot is outward. Cross is in and dot is out. This is current flowing, suppose, upwards. Can you tell direction of force now by Fleming's left hand rule? Start with index finger, which is towards wall. अभी अपना हाथ को थोड़ा 90 डिग्री ऊपर ले लो, टर्न कर दो. मुझे करंट ऊपर दिख रहा है और फोर्स लेफ्ट पे दिखा मेरे फिंगर से. आपको सेम आया? आप लोग को भी? Nobody is saying anything?
So can you tell again?
Yeah. See, I said first you should know left and right hand. This, are you able to recognize left hand, right hand?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. अभी लेफ्ट हैंड का 3 फिंगर, मिडिल फिंगर, इंडेक्स फिंगर, थंब को आउटस्ट्रेच करो. किया?
Yes, sir.
आपका वो इंडेक्स फिंगर दीवार का तरफ है क्या?
Yes, sir.
एंड थंब ऊपर है रूफ का तरफ.
Yes.
And that middle finger is in horizontal, going to right.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, correct. Index finger is the field, so I've shown field this way. So right now your situation is index finger field बराबर. Current upward, so you have to turn ना that thumb, middle finger, turn, 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 turn. क्या ऊपर दिखा मुझे? आया क्या आपके फिंगर से भी?
Yes, sir.
तो ये thumb इधर जा रहा है ना, thumb left पे.
Yes.
That is right hand thumb, Fleming's left hand rule. Don't worry, we can also go by IJK method. IJK. F is I, L bar cross B bar. L bar मतलब करंट का डायरेक्शन. So what is L bar का direction? Current is ऊपर मतलब कौन सा? J cap ना?
Yes.
B inward मतलब minus K cap. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
What is J cross K?
I.
I और ये माइनस है तो माइनस I मतलब लेफ्ट होता है ना, वही आया ना फोर्स.
Yes, sir.
So you can go by this vector method also, Fleming's left hand rule also. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
Tell me in this direction. What will be the direction of force? Tell. अब ये उंगली से करूंगा ना तो बहुत दुखता है मेरा फिंगर्स. मिडिल फिंगर इनवर्ड को आउटवर्ड करो, बाप रे बाप कैसा टर्न करो, बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है. बट आईजे के मेथड से अपना एल बार मतलब आई कैप, सॉरी एल बार मतलब करंट का डायरेक्शन, इज इट जे कैप?
Yes, sir.
Field is outward, is it K cap?
Yes.
So final answer is I cap. I cap is right now. Not followed?
Followed, sir.
Now you try by Fleming's left hand rule. Index finger towards wall. अब ये towards wall नहीं, towards अपना तरफ करो. मुझे लग रहा है कि हाथ भी दुख रहा होगा. कैसे टर्न करो, मुझे भी तकलीफ हो रहा है. अरे बाप रे, कैसा करूं कैसा करूं, कैसा भी करके कर लिया. तो मिडिल फिंगर ऊपर, थंब राइट में दिख रहा है मुझे, बट विथ लॉट ऑफ पेन एंड एक्टिविटी. So best is IJK also I can find. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Tell me in this what is direction of force? This is field, this is current. Tell direction of force. Fleming's left hand rule से ऊपर दिख रहा है मुझे. आपको Fleming's left hand rule से आया क्या ऊपर?
Yes, sir.
अभी हम लोग IJ कैसे करेंगे? L bar cross B bar. नहीं आया तो प्लीज आस्क, बिकॉज डायरेक्शन वाला पार्ट डिफिकल्ट होता है. L bar का डायरेक्शन मतलब I कैप, I का डायरेक्शन ये राइट मतलब I कैप. Field is inward मतलब K cap. What is I cross K?
J.
I cross K anti-clockwise we are going. Clockwise we are going, na? Field is inward minus K. So I cross K is minus J. Minus minus will become plus J. Plus J means upward, na?
Yes, sir.
Honestly say, have you followed Mohit? Mohit Rajvardhan, have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I explain
Yes,
again,
sir.
or you got the idea of IJK also? L bar मतलब किसका डायरेक्शन? L bar means कौन सा डायरेक्शन you will take? करंट का डायरेक्शन. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now Fleming's left hand rule. Now we will write definition. Imagine three fingers, that is index finger, comma middle finger, comma thumb of left hand to be outstretched mutually perpendicular to each other, such that index finger represents magnetic field. Index finger represents magnetic field. Index finger represents magnetic field, comma middle finger represents electric current, then outstretched thumb represents magnetic force. This is Fleming's left hand rule. If completed, then please tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay. Derive expression for force acting per unit length on conductor placed parallel to each other. Expression for force acting per unit length on current carrying conductor, placed parallel to each other. Write the heading, then I will draw diagram and then we'll see direction. Written, can I clear it?
Yes.
This is one straight conductor. This is another straight conductor placed parallel to each other, separated by distance r. One is carrying current I1, carrying current I2, separated by distance r. Can you tell me direction of field due to current carrying I1 at this point here anywhere? This is I1 at this point on the right side. What will be direction of field? Inward or outward? बोलो, राइट हैंड थंब रूल से फटाफट.
Inward.
इनवर्ड, करेक्ट. हेलो, निकल गए ना? नहीं निकल जाओ तो पहुंचोगे कैसे? 2 बजे को बोला है 4 पहुंचने के लिए. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ चलेगा चलेगा। तो अभी ना इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक का एक बनाना है संदेश अपने को। आपको दिया है मैंने नंबर? नहीं देखो रॉन्ग ना हो जाए, कौन सा पेज भेजा है मैंने? अरे वो तो अलग है, मेजरमेंट का अलग किया आपने, इसका अलग। अभी 12th इवनिंग के लिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं कल बोला था ना जूना पेपर से चला लूंगा, वो वाला पेपर मिल नहीं रहा है। हाँ वैसे इवनिंग का बनाना है ना, इवनिंग का खाली इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स है। तो पहले मैं आपको पहले वो आपको मैंने फोटो भेजा था कि किधर से किधर तक का बनाना है क्वेश्चन। अरे वो नहीं यार, ये तो 12th मॉर्निंग का तो मैंने लिख के भेजा आपको, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ कौन सा है। हाँ तो ये 2 पेपर रेडी हो जाएगा ना, तीसरा पेपर का मैंने ना, मैं आपको नंबर बोलता हूँ कौन से नंबर से कौन से नंबर तक का देना है। अभी देखो अपना इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक का जो शीट है ना, मालूम है ना इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक का शीट, उसमें सेकंड पार्ट है, फर्स्ट पार्ट सेकंड पार्ट। पहले आप ये करो, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते, ये करो। What is direction? Inward? Hello? Is the direction inward?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Inward means this will be acted upon by this field of first वाला, मतलब फर्स्ट का आजू बाजू में देयर विल बी फील्ड, बराबर ना, ऐसा कॉन्सेंट्रिक, उसके अंदर है I2 आ गया, वेयर फील्ड इज एक्टिंग इन विच डायरेक्शन? इनवर्ड, नॉट फॉलोड। हेलो हेलो,
Yes, sir.
दैट मींस कंडक्टर I2 इज प्लेस्ड इन फील्ड ऑफ फर्स्ट वन, खुद का फील्ड का उसका आजू बाजू में रहेगा, लेकिन वो फर्स्ट वाले का फील्ड को कट करेगा ना, ऐसा। गॉट इट?
यस सर।
अभी I2 वाला वो ये साइड पे किधर देगा फील्ड? आउटवर्ड क्या इनवर्ड? बाय राइट हैंड थंब रूल।
Inward.
नहीं, वापस चेक करो,
Outward.
आउटवर्ड आएगा ना, आउटवर्ड। देखो ये इधर है, ये I2 है, हम लोग को इधर चाहिए ना फील्ड, कौन सा डायरेक्शन होएगा बाय दैट थंब रूल? चेक अगेन। मुझे तो आउटवर्ड लग रहा है, आपको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Outward.
Outward.
आउटवर्ड। So this will be B2 acting on I1 outward। चलो, तो अभी I1 B2 के फील्ड में है, I2 B1 का फील्ड में, फील्ड इज परपेंडिकुलर टू कंडक्टर। टेल मी डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स ऑन फर्स्ट वन। फोर्स का डायरेक्शन I L बार क्रॉस B बार से आई हैव टू गो, और फ्लेमिंग्स लेफ्ट हैंड रूल, L bar is I which is J cap ऊपर, and B2 is outward which is K cap. J cross K is I cap. So can I say force will be acting towards right, not followed?
यस सर।
For this one will be left now.
Yes, sir.
So diagram part followed full. Everybody has followed diagram.
Yes, sir.
Now nature of force is attraction or repulsion? Nature of force is attraction or repulsion?
Repulsion.
Yes, dear. Who said something? Who said this? Repulsion? Who is saying repulsion? Huh? Aman? Ane? Ane, attraction or repulsion? You all are able to hear me or not? Are you
Yes,
able
sir.
to hear? Because I cannot understand if you don't respond. Pranjali, attraction or repulsion?
Repulsion.
By looking at what you say repulsion? उस पर
Forces.
मुझे तो दिख रहा है दोनों फोर्स एक दूसरे को खींच रहे हैं, तो रिपल्शन कैसा होएगा? दिख रहा है ना, ये दोनों, इमेजिन दोनों को धागा बांधा और खींच रहा है दोनों, तो अट्रैक्ट करेगा क्या रिपेल करेगा? रिपेल करने के लिए ऐसा रहता ना, ऐसा, तो इसको बोलते हैं ना रिपेल कर रहा है।
Yes, sir.
That means still you don't know what is attraction, what is repulsion. Coming closer is called repulsion, क्या attraction?
Attraction.
Attraction.
So why you are telling wrong answer? This is attraction. If this way force, then repulsion. तो चार्ज का उल्टा मिला, सेम चार्ज रहता है तो रिपेल करता है, इधर सेम डायरेक्शन में करंट है तो अट्रैक्ट किया. नहीं समझ में आया लगता है.
समझा सर.
चलो इसमें बोलो क्या होगा डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स? अट्रैक्शन क्या रिपल्शन?
रिपल्शन.
कैसा? ये भी तो सेम डायरेक्शन.
Attraction.
नहीं attraction.
अट्रैक्शन एक ऊपर एक नीचे तो ये रिपल्शन है.
Repulsion.
हाँ, तो इसके ऊपर वो लोग एमसीक्यू पूछ सकते हैं. इफ टू कंडक्टर्स आर कैरिंग करंट इन सेम डायरेक्शन, व्हाट इज नेचर ऑफ फोर्स? व्हाट यू विल से? आई विल से अट्रैक्शन. हाँ, इफ ऑपोजिट देन
Repulsion.
चार्ज का उल्टा है. प्लीज डोंट मेक मिस्टेक. देखो न्यूमेरिकल आ जाता है, थियरी हम लोग भूल जाते हैं. ड्रॉ द डायग्राम, देन विल फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड. प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. Tom,
Yes, sir.
any doubt in diagram?
No, sir.
No. Aryan Udane?
No, sir.
No. Good. See, difficulty is first time before you understand, but once you understand, then difficulty becomes easier. Nandini, Vaishnavi, you all are there?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Any doubt? Please ask her.
Yes. Sir.
Isha, Neha, Pranjali, Arya,
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Nija.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in direction part?
No.
No? Okay. College is opening or it is online lecture they are going to conduct?
Online.
I still don't feel that will start before end of this year. There is prediction that within 4 weeks there may be third wave. Karan, you are going out for 2-3 days. Is it confirmed now or still not yet confirmed? Karan Bora?
No, sir. Without vaccination, it's.
Acha. It is not permitted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you got any first vaccine?
Sorry, sir.
First dose you got, I think. First dose?
No, sir. Above 18 only.
Ah, above 18 years. In Diwali, I will give you all 5 days vacation. चलेगा क्या? कम करूं थोड़ा?
No, sir. चलेगा.
अच्छा ठीक है. एक रक्षाबंधन को दूंगा August 20. Yes, I think you all have drawn the diagram.
Yes, sir.
How many conductors you can see? 1 or 2? 2. Wakada ke straight.
Straight.
Carrying current in same direction or different direction?
Same direction.
Same direction.
Same direction. Separated or overlapping? Separated. अभी ये
Separate.
इसको इंग्लिश में लिखने का है, right? Consider two long straight conductors. Two long straight conductors carrying current I1, I2 as shown in the figure, separated by distance r. The magnetic field due to I1, B1 equals to mu naught I1 upon 2 pi r. Long straight conductor, field formula is mu naught I upon 2 pi r. It is directed as shown. Similarly, the magnetic field due to I2, B2 equals to mu naught I2 upon 2 pi r. It is directed as shown. Shall I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we got B1, B2, but we are interested in force formula. Field and conductor are perpendicular or inclined? Karan Goyal? Field are perpendicular or inclined? This is conductor, this is field. They are perpendicular or inclined?
Inclined.
फील्ड देखो ना, ये आउटवर्ड है ना, तो ये वायर को परपेंडिकुलर हो गया ना.
हाँ, yes sir.
So since conductor and field are perpendicular, conductor and field are perpendicular. In both cases they are perpendicular. Therefore F1 will be I L B2. I1 L B2. No sin theta because sin 90 is 1. Aman followed? I1 L B2.
Yes, sir.
Why I didn't wrote B1? Because I1 is cutting B2.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, मतलब कॉमन मिस्टेक हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे I1 L B1. No, it is I1 L B2. So I1 L mu naught I2 upon 2 pi r. So F1 upon L is mu naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi r. I think you understood this derivation till this. Yes, any doubt? No.
No, sir.
So similarly, F2 will be I2L B1. So it is I2L mu naught I1 upon 2 pi r. So F2 by L is mu naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi r, equation 2. From 1 and 2 we get F1 by L is same as F2 by L equals to mu naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi r. That is, दोनों same है तो I will write F by L rather than giving different name is mu naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi r. This is expression for force acting per unit length. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is formula for force acting per unit length?
Not I1 I2 upon 2 pi.
Correct. Mu naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi r. Copy till end. Once you are done, please let me know.
Done, sir.
Done, no? Note. First point. When currents in two conductors are in same direction, then nature of force is attraction. When currents are in opposite direction, then nature of force is repulsion. I'm clearing this, okay?
Yes.
So two part of the chapter we have completed. One was field, second is force, third is uses now. Moving coil galvanometer. Moving coil galvanometer. See, galvanometer actually is a device which will just record the flow of current, not measure the magnitude of current. If something we have to move, this is the body, I have to move. What should I apply? If I want to move this body? Force?
Four.
Pardon? कोई तो कुछ बोल रहा है क्या?
So force.
Force, okay. Force we should apply. अगर इधर force apply किया तो ये ऐसा जा रहा है. You are not wrong. That force which will produce turning effect, ना? To rotate this.
Yes, sir.
उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं moment of force, correct ना? Moment of force. और torque भी बोलते हैं, मालूम है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मतलब इसको अगर फिक्स नहीं किया है, then we require couple so that it will perform rotational motion. लेकिन अगर फिक्स किया एक पॉइंट पे तो सिंगल फोर्स से भी घूम सकता है. So if I want to rotate this coil, so there can be two type of coil के नहीं, एक लटकाया हुआ और दूसरा ऐसा अटकाया हुआ at one point. If it is लटकाया, then it requires couple. If it is अटकाया तो एक फोर्स भी घुमा सकता है ना इसको. So there are how many types of moving coil galvanometer? Two. One is called suspended type, other is called pivoted type. Clear?
Yes, sir.
All our instruments are pivoted type. We will study construction and working of suspended type. Small modification will make it pivoted, matlab fixed. So how many types of moving coil galvanometer are there?
Two.
Which two? suspended and pivoted. Yes. Right heading moving coil galvanometer. There are two types of galvanometer. First, moving type galvanometer. Oh, suspended type moving coil galvanometer. First one, suspended type moving coil galvanometer. Second, pivoted type moving coil galvanometer. Explain with neat labeled diagram construction, comma, working of suspended type moving coil galvanometer. Explain with neat label diagram construction working of suspended type moving coil galvanometer. Shall I clear? Today only diagram will do.
Answer.
Okay. It consists of rectangular coil A, B, C, D, wounded on rectangular metal frames such as aluminum or copper. It is suspended with the help of phosphor, bronze fiber between strong magnetic field produced by concave pole pieces of horseshoe magnet. See, actually it is like this, horseshoe magnet. It will be of this type. But when you see from front, you cannot see this curvature. तो आपको ये लाइन दिखेगा, but actually वो curved है inside ऐसा. So I have shown front view, where we can see line, not the curvature. ऊपर से देखा ना तो ये मुझे ऐसा curvature दिखेगा, और सामने से देखा तो ये line दिखेगा ना इसका. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तब इजाड़ा रहेगा ना ऐसा. So when I see from front तो मुझे line दिखेगा, तो आप देखा तो curvature दिखेगा. तो ये front view है. NS, N means north pole, S means south pole. Iron core is mounted, iron core I is mounted in such a way that coil can rotate freely. ये field को strong करेगा, magnetic field को, because conductor placed in field will experience force. तो इसका काम है field को strong करना. Deflection produced is measured with the help of mirror and lamp scale arrangement. Lower end is supported by helical spring. This is called helical spring. Helical means horizontal. One spring is like this. Helical is vertical. This is called hair spring, which is horizontal. Jalebi wala banata hai वैसा. Current enters through the fiber and leaves through the helical spring. So front view is as shown in figure A. Please draw this diagram. Today only diagram draw. Next lecture I will explain you the construction, why we have taken all those dismantle part joint to make suspended type moving coil galvanometer. फ्रंट व्यू एंड दिस इज टॉप व्यू. ऊपर से देखा तो ये सिलेंडर का गोल दिखेगा, वो गोल दिखाया है, दैट इज आयरन कोर एंड कॉइल ऐसा थिकनेस दिखेगा. जस्ट ड्रॉ बोथ द डायग्राम.
Done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Please revise. Tomorrow, what time we have decided for doubt solving? 10 o'clock, huh?
10 to
Evening.
11.
Yes, sir. 10 to 11. So Sunday test, I think I have told you everything in detail. It is on which part?
Yes, sir.
Yes.